So everybody's watching the news here this morning. Rocket barrages slammed northern Israel after IDF shells at southern Lebanon. Repeated attacks set off sirens. Yeah, I can't even pronounce the names of the cities, to be honest. So this is all over the news in the Philippines as well.
Yep, that was
I,
that was 2 weeks ago. I mean, the war started 2 weeks ago.
yeah, and this bit of a twist this morning is these are rocket launches um, into northern Israel. Hezbollah has fired dozens of anti-tank guided missiles, rockets, and mortars at Israeli military positions and Israeli towns since the Hamas onslaught. So it's escalation this morning, and a little bit shocking here because with this escalation this morning, things just went from maybe everybody being able to negotiate through this to it being a real issue here, right?
Yep.
Uh, what we're doing with emergency notification signage and all the work of the outdoor panels, the harsh reality is that our business is going to be high demand and not in a way that we like. Makes sense? You understand?
Yeah.
It also means that everything that we've been working on for real-time notification on the screens now needs our support. If ever there was a time to take all of this seriously from a standpoint of the tickets that are coming in, the system, SAM, the uptime, the equipment out in the field, it would be now. Everybody understand?
Yep.
Once we actually start telling the public what we've been building and the value of it in emergency situations, there's no other option than us to be A game. Because it really could be lives on the line. Everybody understand? Yeah. Okay. So that's just the thought for the morning. We're not going to get into the to-do list for our stuff for the day of regular digital signage. Just going to talk about how important it is to do that testing with that screen sitting beside you. You understand, Rolly?